Key news, my lovely, wonderful people. The governor for those states, Governor Monday Ekwagbolo, have submitted commissioners designated to the House of Assembly, their names. But guess what? There is more to this than beneath the eyes. He just submitted the names, but there are some names there that are really causing a stir. And that is why this is coming to you right now. Everybody is beginning to ask why the governor had to put certain names in there because things are beginning to look up, and some people feel some persons are better off in prison. Some persons should be giving account of what they've done rather than just sitting there keeping quiet as if all is well. So these are some of the things that are going on that are really causing real serious concerns. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details as the Edo State Governor give a shocking statement to the people. Edo State Governor submits commissioners designated to House of Assembly, causing real concerns in Edo right now. The Edo State Governor, Monday Ekwagbolo, has officially submitted some names he would like to see and to work alongside with him. These names have been officially submitted, 6 names for commissioners designated to the State House of Assembly for confirmation, according to the report from Daily Post. This announcement was made on Tuesday through a letter signed by the Secretary to the State Government, Umar Ikelo. The letter listed the names of the proposed commissioners: Mary Olabisi Idumi Padu Iyamu, Paul Oyigbemo, Washington Osifo, Lucky Esebo, and Andrew Ijaboso. This move is part of the governor's efforts to establish a full cabinet and advise the state administration, especially himself, on some of the related matters that could potentially bring better development to Edo State. The corresponding titled request for the confirmation of commissioners emphasized the importance of the assembly role in confirmation process. It states, I write at the instance of the governor of Edo State, Monday Ekwagbolo, to forward for the consideration and confirmation assembly the underlisted names as commissioner designators. The governor's office is keen on a swift confirmation process as indicated in the letter. It includes with a note of appreciation while looking forward to the expeditious confirmations of the names. Please accept the assurance of the warm regards of Mr. Governor. However, many has come to say these names, some of these persons do not have integrity, and more digging should be done with regards to people who will be responsible as commissioners in certain areas of the state, giving feedback and directions to the president to lead and to help the people get better. Some people have come back to say this is a real concern because the governor has taken a thorough look and swift at the persons who is putting in office, and how are these persons able to make the real judgment that will further enhance the betterment of the people. So there you have it. That's your question, and that's where some people are feeling very, very uneasy with the words that has been said by the proposal being given by the governor. Some persons feel very strongly that the governor should do more in investigating and ensuring that this person does really meet all the necessary criteria that they should be meeting before they be considered for such exotic position. So these are some of the things that are going on, and everybody begins to watch and wait patiently to see how all of this is going to be playing out, because the truth of it is, if we continue to pretend that we don't know what is going on, you'll be surprised and shocked at some of these issues that are happening right now. So everybody is watching, and we need to ensure that the truth is manifested at every point in time, because the truth of it is, If Nigerians continue to play, this, it's not my business kind of drive, I can't be bothered. The truth of it is, the thing when you look through way eye, now your neighbor take better pass you. And so we must ensure that things are done properly. Okay, we must ensure that things are done properly so that, if there is need for anyone and everybody to see the right thing to ensure that truth is manifested, it is now more than ever before. We can't just sit back there, fold our arms, and pretend that we're not aware of some of these things going on. So it is important. So, so, so important. My dear, you can see for yourself that the days upon us, are very, very, very critical. And every single individual needs to ensure, that we do everything humanly speaking possible to bring us, to the right place, because the tension is rising. People have concerns, on why certain things, why, they've allowed certain things to go this far without honestly, sincerely, making sure that there is a real transformative process that will better the lives of the people. So it is a real call for, for urgent action. So my people, what do you see and how do you see all of this coming out? If there is any time in our history where we all must rise up and ensure that the right things are done, I believe that this is the time. Yes, I believe this so strongly that this is the time. So it is what it is. It is what it is. Every single one of us must do everything humanly speaking possible to ensure that we do everything that we can. Okay, so truly, sincerely speaking, the days upon us are rather really, 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 very, very interesting. I must tell you, the days upon us are interesting. Okay, and so it's, if there's any time, things must get better. Okay, things must get better. It is now more than ever before. And that's why every single person must do everything humanly speaking possible. Okay? So it is what it is. Well, my people, you see for yourself that that's what's happening right now. Well, don't forget, you are important and you owe a very big part in all of this. You see something wrong, please speak up. Don't just fold your arms there and think that everything is going on well. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us, it's bye for now. Bye-bye.